fourth string and the first string, then it's the third string, the second string, and then the fourth string, first string, third string. Okay, and the chord we're doing up here is the 10th fret on these bottom two strings with the 11th fret here. Okay, we're going to take that same chord down 2 frets, so it's going to be the 8th fret with the 9th. And once again, that's the outside strings, and then 3, 2, 4, 1, 3. 2, 3, 4. And so the counting of that is like 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Okay, so it's a really good one to practice over and over again. Let's count it off again. 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4. To the same chord. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Just good to pick one chord someplace. Practice that over and over again. Down 2. Now here we have the D-shaped chord on the 7th fret. Now this is going to be like kind of the bottom of an A major chord. So we have 5 on the bottom and 7 and 7. And then down 2 more. Part of a C chord. We're going to do that one twice. And then we're going to be to the D and start the next part. Okay, so that was the intro. Next we'll look at the verse. Okay, so our main part after the intro is going to be this pattern. Okay, so first we have that same kind of picking pattern with the D chord here. So the big ones. 3, 2, 4, 1, 3. Now we have to switch, and since we don't have the bass note that a guitar has, we're going to switch to the D string with the 2nd string, 1st fret over here. We have a D7 shape now. So it's we have a little bit of a different finger picking pattern to accommodate that new chord there. So that new chord is going to be the 4th string and the 2nd string. And then the 3rd to 1st, and then the 4th to 2nd to 3rd. So I'll say like the names of those strings. So the first one is those two together, the 4th string and the 2nd string. And then 3, 1, 4, 2, 3. Okay, then our next chord is pull that 1 out of there and we're going to do the same picking thing. Now we have to switch over to the middle finger on the 3 here. We're going to get ready to have the 3 and the 2 below that. So it's going to be like a 3, 3, 2 thing down there. And we're going to have, this time we're going to have the 2 big strings together. So we use the big string a bit more there to pivot off those other notes. So that was the 2 big strings, and then 4, 1, 4, 2, 3. Okay, so that was a lot. Let's go through that again. So the D is kind of normal. Then we go to the D7, and we start with the 4th string and 2nd string. And then we pull that first finger out. And then we switch over here, the middle finger 3. We got 3, 3, 2. Okay, so let me do that up to speed a little bit. Okay. So we got a little strum there. Down, 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 up, down, down. Then we're going to move to a new chord with the same strum. So this chord is open, pinky on the 5, and then 3 and 2. So we got down, 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 up, down, down. And then we're going to move to the 4 here on the 3rd string. Down, 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 up, down, down. And then we'll move to the 3. So we have 3, 3, 2 again. Down, down, up, down, down, to the regular D. Okay? Now we're going to go C twice to the G, back to our main part. Okay, so I do kind of a mixture of versions. I like the Jerry Garcia Band version as well as the Beatles version. So there's some things that I like to add that the Jerry Garcia Band did, like making that spot kind of go slower and stretch out the length of that. The Beatles version goes a lot faster on that. So that's just one of the things that I'll show you in this version that I like to do. That's going to be a little bit of a combination of both styles of that. Okay, so here goes the bridge part. 2 bars is setting up the D. So basically you have a down, down, and then you switch chords to the 5, 4, 5, 3, and there you're going to go down, up, down, 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 and then up to just 2, and then go back and do the same thing you did before. So we're going to do this 3 times. And now here's the part that I also like from the Jerry Garcia Band version. He goes to an F here, to a G sharp, and there he does a dominant 7 sharp 9 on that G right there. Kind of a Jimi Hendrix Purple Haze kind of chord. So it gives it a cool spin to go back to the happy sound and stuff. So we had the F, 3, 2, 1, 1. We're going to go same strum up to the 4th fret with that. 6, 5, 4, 4. Now this next chord is going to be 5, 4, 6, and 6. So you could do 2 different fingers down there. You could bar that however you want. So it's going to be like a kind of like a chord, bass, chord, bass, chord. So that last part again was. And then we're back to our D thing. Okay, so it just kind of repeats a lot of those parts. You'll go back into that bridge. And before that, you would have gone back into that. That kind of stuff. So all that stuff kind of repeats. Then when we get to the very end, this is going to be the outro this time. This is 10th fret again with the 11. 2 of those. I like to do a 3rd one, and then I end with the big D chord. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked that. I'm Damon Wood. This is Damon's Baritone Uke Joint. See you later. Thanks a lot.